How to add music to Facebook post. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now at the top you'll find this option, What's on your mind. At the right corner of it you'll find this picture icon. Click on it. With that, your camera roll will open up. Now go ahead and select the picture that you want to upload in your Facebook account along with the music. Once you select it, click on Done. After you select the picture, now click on this option of Edit. Now at the top, you're going to find different icons. Go ahead and click on this music icon. With that, different music options will appear. You can just scroll and check, or also you can search for the music of your choice. At the top, you'll see the search box. Once you select the music, over here you will find this scroll icon. By scrolling to the right and left, you can select the particular part of the music. Likewise, over here you're going to find different templates. You can also select the templates. Once you are done, you can click on this option. You can edit your picture from this page and you can click on Next. So you can see that I have added music to my Facebook post. Now I can customize other settings and click on Next and upload this picture. Well, this is how you can easily add music to Facebook post. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.